Hello, Vanakkam. Welcome back to your channel, Vastranand. So guys, I hope you've liked, shared and subscribed to our channel already. If not, do it right now. Because if you do not, you're going to miss on one of the bestest collection by Vastranand. Here we show both traditional, party wear and formal setup sarees and much more. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a nice versatile saree piece with a very unique rich pallu. So stay tuned, stick till the end of the video because I'm also going to show you colors in this particular same catalog. So let us begin with the very first color. Here it is going to be this nice yellow saree. Now let me quickly break down the elements for you so that you can have a look at the details. So this section that you see over here, this is going to be the pallu of your saree. Now, if you see, the print is going to be geometrical print, digital print. On top of it, you're going to get golden zari weaving. Look at the shine. The shine is very beautiful. So you're going to get a rich zari woven pallu. Now, at the end of your pallu, you're going to get these red tassels. Okay, I'll open the saree. I'll just give you a few details before I open it entirely. Now, if you have a look at the border sides, here you're going to get this ikat border as well. And the zari border over here is divided into three parts. The outer border is going to be a golden zari border. The center border is going to be a satin border. And then the third border again is going to be a zari border. So now I'll just open the saree up for you. Guys, the fabric is going to be soft silk. And here comes your look. Look at the multicolors. Okay, here are the tassels. So this is the entire thing that I showed closely to you guys so you could see the details. Now, the border is going to be a Ganga Jamna border. On top, you're going to find this nice brown border, and on bottom, you're going to get this dark pink border. See, so this is how it is. Now, the entire color palette of the saree is very bright, very happy colors, and I have a few more colors to go. So if you like this catalog, stay tuned because I'll show you a few more pieces. Here is the blouse fabric where you're also going to get negative color digital printing with the border. Okay, so next color is going to be a neon green shade. Look. So if you like experimenting with colors, you can go for neon green. Okay, same geometrical pallu you're going to get. So here is the pallu. Very pocket friendly guys and very good quality soft silk. See, very flowy, very easy to wear. Once you drape it, see how nicely it sits on your body. Okay, and then again the top border is going to be green, the bottom border is going to be red in color, so it's Ganga Jamna again, as I said. With this you get this red blouse material. Moving on to the next color option, which is a very classy color option, which is off-white. So I personally love off-white colors. Let's just open this. See, here is the pallu. Here is the zari work, a very rich pallu. Now in this one, the top border is going to be brown. The bottom border is going to be red. See, off-white also looks so gorgeous in traditional sarees. And then with this, you're going to get this red blouse material. Now, the one that I'm wearing is this nice natural black. It's not a jet black, it's a natural black color. The Ganga Jamna border, the top border is brown, bottom border is red. And once you wear it, see how beautifully it sits. And it did not take more than 1 minute 30 seconds for me to wear this saree. So well, it's that convenient, it's that beautiful, it's that gorgeous. See. This is how this entire look is going to turn up. So well, if you like this collection, how can you place your orders? two options. First, there's a contact number on your screen. You can call us, WhatsApp us for both retail and wholesale orders. Apart from this, you can visit our application, which works for both iOS and Android. So go do that quickly. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.